Hey folks, due to some urgent work, I was not uploading my videos on regular basis. But now on, I'm continuing my series of MongoDB. So without further ado, let's start the video. So in this video, we are going to update our documents, or you can say data. So let's look at our, let's say show DBS. So these are our database. Now let's use our database, which is bookstore. Let me, yes. Now use bookstore. After that, we are going to see the collections, and you can see we have books collection. Let me clear the screen. Yes. Now let's look at data. So db.books.find, and you can see we have, yes, we have this data. Now let's suppose I want to let's say this first data. Yes, let's suppose I want to update this first record and author name. Yes, let's update this author name. So first of all, let's copy this object id, then db dot books dot update one, because we are going to update one record only. So let's provide here id. Let's paste this id, comma, another bracket, dollar set, another bracket, and let's provide here author. So first of all, our author is, yes, I'm going to update this author to A B C D and presenter, and you can say matched count 1, modified count 1, which means our data is updated successfully. So let's look at our data. So let's going up, and you can see author is ABCD. So that's how you can update one record in the MongoDB. Now let's look at update many command. So you can see in this last two record, we have same entry, which is author. So here author name is Ankur, and in last entry you can see author name is Ankur. So let's try to update the title name of the book of same author. So let's provide here db dot books dot update more than one record, which means many. Let's provide here id, and no, let's say id, not id, let's say author Ankur. Yes. Now let's provide here dollar set, and let's provide here title. Ooh, let's provide here title. Let's say ABCD. Press enter, and you can say matched count to modified count to. Now let's look at our records. So you can see Ankur's title is ABCD and ABCD. So that's how you can update more than one record at the same time using update many command. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.